Hello and welcome to Airplane Chefs. My name is Sky, and I'll be helping you here. Currently, first, let's prepare the burgers. Now place trail mix on the cart. While the burgers are being prepared, these passengers want a portion of trail mix. Serve them now. Great! Let's get back to the galley and refill the cart. The burgers are ready. Add a burger to the tray. Good job. Now go and serve the rest of the pack. Over here.
Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly.
You have unlocked a lemonade dispenser. Tap to put the glass into the dispenser. Wait a few moments. Done! Now drag it to the tray. Great! A burger will taste much. Over here!
Over here!
Wow!
Wow!
Yes!
Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly.
Welcome to Galley Upgrades. You can use coins you've earned to upgrade any First, let's take a look at the lemonade dispenser. Upgrading the dispenser, tap here to purchase an upgrade. Close the window. Great. Now let's check this side dish. Upgrading trail mix will tap here to purchase an upgrade. Great. This upgrade will tap here to continue to level selection.